Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala ashrafil anbiya al-mursaleen. Muhammadin wa ahli bayt al-tayyibin al-tahirin al-ma'sumin. Sayyima al-imam al-muntazar. Al-hujjatu thani ashar. Ruhi wa arwahul alamin li turabi maqadamihi al-fida. Amma ba'd. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. Sadaqallahul aliyyul azim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad wa ajil farajahum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So I believe we're on lesson number 3.
3.
And we are on the exercises of lesson number 3. Right? Before I do the exercises, it will be good that if we quickly go through the lesson, I will ask who is there who was absent last week. Right? Can I request Sister Najma Kanani with Sister Sadiqa Jafar. Bismillah. Sister Najma Kanani and Sister
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum Assalam wa rahmatullah. Ad-Dars al-Thalith, or the third lesson. Bismillah. Can you kindly read the lesson and then we'll do the exercises, inshallah.
Okay. Am I Jafar?
Yes, that's fine.
Okay. أين مدرسون لا دخلوا فصل ولا هم في غرفة المدرسين.
Fusuli.
مدرسين.
Yep.
So it is Fusuli, right? Is it multiple?
Correct.
Fusuli, yeah. Fusuli. So where are the teachers? They did not enter the classroom, and neither
They are in the staff room.
The staff room.
Yeah.
أظن أنهم في اجتماع. أرأيت المدرسين الجدد. I'm afraid they are in a meeting. I saw the new teachers.
Right.
Is it ISO or
Is it
Araita? Yes, I saw.
No, it's Ra'aita.
Sorry, Araita, did you see?
Did you see?
Or did you see? Sorry. All right. Did you see the new teachers?
أجاء مدرسون جدد. The new teachers.
Did question? Is a question. Did the new teachers come?
أجاء مدرسون جدد. Did the new teachers come?
نعم جاء خمسة مدرسين جدد. Yes, the 5 new teachers came. رأيت أحدهم في المكتبة قبل قليل اسمه الحسين بن حسن. I saw the new teacher in the library.
Short while ago.
And then his name is Hussein ibn al-Hassan. يدخل أحد المدرسين جدد.
One of the new teachers entered.
One of the new teachers entered.
Assalamu alaikum. Oh, sorry, am I Mudarrisu?
Yeah.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ahlan wa sahlan wa marhaban ya ustazu. Alaikum salam to you as well.
Oh, teacher.
Welcome, the new teacher. Welcome to the class, new teacher.
أشكركم يا إخوانا
Ya ikhwanu.
يا إخوانو. Yeah, I thought after ya is a fatah.
No. If it is mudaf ilay, like
Yeah.
Ya Abdullahi. When it's mudaf, then it's fatah.
Okay. I thank you, oh brothers. كم طالبا في فصلكم هذا? How many students in this classroom?
We أربعون طالبا. We 40 students.
ولكن أرى خمسة
ولكنني
أرى 25 طالبا
وثلاثين
طالبا فقط. But I can only see
35
students only. فأين آخرون? Where are the others?
هم غائبون اليوم. They are missing today.
أي كتاب تقرؤون? Which book
Ayya.
are you
Are you reading?
Are you reading?
Yep.
So
تقرأ
here, I'm sorry, I have a question. So
Yeah.
ayya here is ayya because it is coming in the form of a mudafle or
So
mafulun
it's
bihi?
coming, a very good question. So ayya kitabin, it's coming as the object of taqra'una, and it is coming as mudaf ilayh as well. So
Okay.
it should have been ayyu kitabin. It's coming ayya with a fatha because this ayya, it normally can come as a subject, as an object, and this object, it requires to come in the beginning of the sentence. So therefore it's preceding the verb. So taqra'una is the verb, and ayya is the object preceding the verb. So ayya kitabin is the object for which book you are reading.
So it's doing a double thing. So it's like a mafulun bihi and wahuwa mudaf and then mudaf.
Exactly, correct.
Thank you, Sheikh.
تقرأ هذا الكتاب اسمه قصص نبيين. We are reading this.
Not that you read taqra'u. It's naqra'u with one nuqta.
Oh.
We are reading.
So what does نقرأ mean?
We are reading.
Oh, we are reading. Oh,
Yeah.
sorry. Yeah, we are reading this book. The name is the stories of the prophet.
Liman huwa? Who is he?
Liman huwa. Here huwa is coming. Who is the writer?
Oh, who is the?
Yeah, liman huwa, who is the writer. So huwa is coming out in the meaning of who is the writer of the book.
هو من فضيلة الشيخ أبي الحسن الندوي. He is
The author is
Sheikh Abil Hassan Nadwiya.
All right, Sheikh, I'm going to interrupt here again. I apologize.
That's fine.
So here the li, what is that? Is that for the great author? What is that?
He is, li means for. So we did in the exercise, li comes in the meaning of for the author, the excellence of Sheikh Abi al-Hasan Nadawi. So if you go back to the exercises, we did this last session. So let me show you. Where's it gone? So it says over here, right at the end, in such examples, li is used referred to author of book and is translated by the word by. So here, li comes the meaning of by.
By the great. Okay.
Okay.
How about Fadila? Fadila means an excellence, is it?
Yeah, excellence, yes.
Okay.
Thank
Come
you.
was come.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaykum salam.
This Li Fazila T, it's also muzaf here?
Let me just go back and show you as well. Oh, where's it gone? So here, li is harf jar, fadila is mudaf, al-sheikh is mudaf ilay, correct?
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. كم صفحة قرأتم فيه? How many pages did you read in it?
قرأنا 53 صفحة. We have read 35 pages.
Okay.
53.
Sorry, you want to say?
Is it 53?
الكتاب فيه 90 صفحة قرأنا منها ثلاثا وخمسة صفحة
50.
50 صفحة فبقي سبه 30 صفحة. Okay. The book has 40 pages.
90.
Or 90 pages, sorry. We read 53 pages and 37 pages are left to read.
ما أجمل حكيبتك يا أستاذ بكم اشتريتها. Your bag is very beautiful, teacher. How much did you buy it for?
اشتري
No, اشتريته.
اشتريتها ب8 ريال. I bought for money 80 reals.
So Sheikh,
Anas,
may I here? So question I have is riyalan, is that considered because it is
Tamiz.
tamiz?
Yes, it is. It's ma'dud.
Thank you.
أنا اشتريت مثلها ب70 ريالا. I bought a similar one for 70 riyals.
Okay, أنا أشتري
اشتريته. أنا اشتريته.
أنا اشتريت حقيبة الصغيرة
أصغر.
أصغر منها ب60 ريالا.
Mhm.
I bought a similar bag for 60 reals.
60 riyal. Excellent. أنا
Smaller, right?
I
Smaller.
bought a bag أصغر, smaller. أصغر means smaller. أصغر منها. So this is in book 3, we did this as well. So أصغر منها is comparative. So I bought something smaller than it for 60 riyal.
Yeah, Sheikh, I wanted to ask you, you
Yeah.
know, we are talking, yeah? Do
Yep.
you have to say rialan? Can't we say riala? No?
You can say riala, but the only reason why I'm still practicing on the harakat is that I want you to become masters of the harakat and know the positioning of each word. Normally, they will not. Ana ishtarayt haqiba. They would say normally in Arabic. They say ana ishtarayt
You're
haqiba.
breaking a lot.
Sorry. So ana ishtarayt haqiba asghara minha bi60 riyal. They will not say riyal. But the reason why I was still focusing on the harakat is that I want everyone to remember the positioning of each word, why they're coming with the fatha, kasra, dhamma, and then once you become very familiar, then you can do the abbreviations itself.
Thank you.
No problem. Right. Let's bring 2 students on. So, Dr. Rahim, I want you to ask the questions, and Sister Kulthum is going to answer the questions. So questions number 1 to 5.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم كم مدرسا جديدا جاء. How many teachers came?
مدرسا
New
جديد.
teachers, new teachers came.
Correct, Sister
How many
Kulthum.
new teachers came?
جاء 5 مدرسين جدد.
Translation.
5 new teachers came.
Correct. Now, next question, I want you to ask Sister Kulthum and Dr. Rahim will answer.
Okay. كم طالبا وجد مدرس في فصلي? How many students did the teacher find in the classroom?
Sheikh, can I
وجد
ask one question? You know, whenever we are asking come, how many, so the next, it's always the singular.
Mansub. Yeah, always.
Mansub.
Yeah,
Okay.
it comes singular. It comes with fatha tanween,
Ah.
and the singular word comes in the meaning of the plural. So kam talib means how many student, but that's talib means student. But normally when anything comes after kam, the singular indicates upon plural. So you will say how many students.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
وجد المدرسون 30 طالبا فقط.
No, not 30. I think خمسة وثلاثين. So it's 35.
35.
Yeah, if you look over
35.
here, it says over here.
Mhm.
ولكنني أرى
35
35 طالبا فقط.
يا 5 أحسنت 35 فقط.
طالبا فقط. طالبا فقط.
طالبا فقط.
Next question, Doctor. I want you to ask the next question to Sister Kulthum.
كم صحيفة فيه لمن كتاب قصص النبيين لمن الكتاب قصص النبيين لمن كتاب whose is this book which is the story of the prophets.
Yep.
هو لفضيلة الشيخ أبي الحسن ندوية.
Excellent. Sister Kulthum, next question.
كم صفحة فيه? How many pages are in it?
Dr. Rahim, that's 50 pages.
Yeah. فيه صحيفة سبعة وثلاثين فيه صحيفة 90 صحيفة.
Yeah. فيه 90 صفحة.
90 صفحة.
Yeah.
90 صفحة.
How many pages, Doctor? In English?
90 means inside it there are 90 pages.
Excellent, 90 pages.
Maulana, can I ask a question?
Yes. Go ahead.
So Safha also means like you're saying the Safha, like the Quran, the copy of Quran. Is it the same?
No, that was Mus'haf.
Mus'haf.
Yeah, that was
That's what-
Mus'haf, which means scripture of the Holy Quran. A copy of the Quran is Mus'haf. Safha means a page.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Sheikh, just for clarification, what is very similar word for lines in a page?
Satar. Satar is line. Seen, twa, ra. Satar is line.
I just want to write it down so I don't
Seen,
forget.
twa, ra. Satar. So satar means
The
line, and the safhatan means page. Mus'haf is the Quran. So it's good. Good. Go ahead, Doctor. Ask question number 5 to Sister Kulthum.
كم صفحة قرآن
صفحة.
طلاب كم صفحة قرأت طلاب. How many pages did the students read?
كم صفحة قرأ الطلاب? How many pages the students read?
That's right.
So
They
it would be قرأ منها 53 صفحة.
So they said over here.
So they read 53 pages
Yeah.
from it.
So what did you say? How do you answer it?
I said qara'a because I
No.
would not.
No, you have to say plural because at-tullab is plural, so you have to say qara'u, they read.
So if okay. So if I say qara'atullabu, then I would use singular, correct?
Exactly. If you say qara'a at-tullabu, that's correct. But if you're not going to use the word at-tullabu, then you have to say qara'u thalathan wa khamsina safhatan.
Okay, so qara'u.
So this sentence here.
Yeah. So qara'u minha thalathatan wa khamsina. So they read from 53 pages.
Correct. Okay, Jazakallah. Next person I'm going to ask to come on the mic is going to be Sister Zahra with Sister Parveen Naqavi. So Sister Zahra, can you kindly start off? Where was next exercise? What's next? Okay. اقرأ الأمثلة الآلية. Okay. I think this will be easier. Okay, let me give it to Zahra and then I'll give it to Sister Parveen Naqavi, exercise 3. So, Alaikum Salam.
Number 6 is left. Number 6 is left.
The last line is still there in exercise 1.
Yeah. Okay.
It's not done.
So I wanted to ask a question, Chef.
Yep. Go ahead.
So when the thing that the ma'adud is feminine, then the units are masculine, right? Opposite.
So what happens is that the unit itself will be the opposite gender to the ma'dud. If the ma'dud is masculine, the numbers will be feminine. If the ma'dud is feminine, the numbers will be masculine. Vice versa.
So the units are opposite. So
Yes.
it is qara'u minha thalathan wa khamsina safatan. It is not thalathan.
Thalathan, yes. So qara'u thalathan wa khamsina safatan. So khamsina remains the same with masculine and feminine, but this changes itself. It's the same ruling from 3 to 9 itself. The same ruling applies.
Okay, thank you,
3 to
Sheikh.
10, sorry. Okay, Sister Zahra, can you do
Sheikh, I can do the last one quickly.
Yeah, go ahead.
Become ishtaral mudarrisul haqibata. For how much did the teacher buy the bag for?
Yep.
Ishtara bi thamanina riyalan. He bought it for 80 riyals.
Ishtara bi thamani riyan, correct. Exercise 2, please. And then after that, exercise 3, Sister Parveen Naqavi. Bismillah.
So, Sheikh, I just have to read these and translate?
Read carefully these examples of Jamu Mudhakkar Salim. Ji, Bismillah.
One more thing though, would you say ishtaraha?
So if you want to say, there's 2 ways that you could say ishtaraha al-mudarrisu bi thamanin, or you could say ishtarah al-mudarrisu al-haqibata. Both ways you could do it. If you want to do abbreviation, so ishtaraha al-mudarrisu bi thamani riyal. So instead of mentioning the book, the bag, you're using the pronoun refer to it. That can be done as well.
All right, thank you.
So Sheikh, when we write ishtaraha, in the end, the alif maksura will be dropped?
That's a very good question. So when you write ishtaraha, so you put alif, sheen, ta, ra, and you put the ya is dropped, and alif, and then you have an alif. After the alif, you have a ha and a alif as well. Ishtaraha.
Okay, thank
So
you.
the alif itself is coming in the place of the ya. So ishtaraha. That's how you write it.
All right. Al-mudarrisuna fil fusuli. The teachers are in the classrooms.
Make it singular now for me as well.
Al-mudarrisu fil fasli.
Correct.
The teacher is in the classroom. Ain al-muhandisuna. Where are the engineers? Ain al-muhandisu.
Correct.
Where is the engineer? Ha'ulai tullabun mujtahiduna. These are hardworking students.
Singular, please.
Haza talibun mujtahidun.
Correct.
This is a hardworking student. Aina Ahmadu wa Abbasun wa Yasirun. Where is Ahmad? Where are Ahmad, Abbas, and Yasir? Hum ghaibuna munzu usbu'ain. They are absent since 2 weeks.
Correct. Change it to female.
Aina Fatimatu wa Aminatu wa Suad. Hunna غائبة
Nope.
غائبات
غائبات, correct.
غائبات منذ أسبوعين.
Correct.
يعبد المسلمون الله. The Muslims worship Allah. Change it to singular.
Yes.
يعبد المسلم الله.
Correct. Change that to female.
تعبد
المسلمات.
مسلمة الله.
No. تعبد
مسلمة الله.
تعبد
Oh, plural. Okay.
المسلمات.
تعبد المسلمات الله.
You could say tullaha. You could say muslima tullaha. So to is joins with Allah. Tullaha. Correct.
تعبد المسلمات الله.
يعبدنا.
No. So ya'budu al-muslimuna is the Muslims are worshipping Allah. And if you want to change it to female, change the word al-muslimuna to al-muslimatu. Al-muslimatu is plural feminine. So you change ya'budu to ta'budu.
Because it's coming in the beginning.
Yes.
Singular.
In a verbal sentence.
Yes, thank you.
هؤلاء الطلاب هنود وأولئك باكستانيون. These students are Indians and those are Pakistanis.
Correct. That's fine. I'm not going to change that. That's fine. Jazakallah for that. Thank you. Can Sister Parveen Naqavi do exercise 3? Change them to plurals, please.
Okay. Mudarrisun, mudarrisuna, muhandisun, muhandisuna, Muslimun, muslimuna, kafirun, kafiruna, ghaibun, ghaibuna, mujtahidun, mujtahiduna, mu'minun, mu'minuna, salihun, salihuna.
Excellent. Jazakallah. Sister, Assalamu alaikum. Sister Sadia, can you kindly come and do exercise 4 and will be 4 and 5.
Jay Lama sir, for the next exercise, this
Exercise
is
4.
exercise 4. Okay. Ishruna Taliban. So it is the read and remember. Ikram Ishruna Taliban, 20 student. So it will remain same. Ishruna Taliban.
Correct.
And Salasuna Taliban, 30 students. Salasuna Talibatan, 30 student, female student. Arbauna Taliban, 40 student. Arbauna Talibatan, 40 female student. Hamsuna Taliban, 50 students, and Hamsuna Talibatan, 50 female students. If it is a plural for that, for example, Talibatan, so it will be remaining Hamsuna.
No, it changed. So normally all these numbers itself, of the 50, 60, 70s, the numbers will remain singular.
Numbers will remain singular. Even it is plural, but it will remain singular.
Even though there are 50, which is plural, the number is, more than 3, is plural, but the numbers, because it is ma'dud, this thing which has been counted, the numbers are being used singular, but in the meaning of plural.
Sure. Sittuna Taliban, Sittuna Talibatan, 60 students, and Sabuna Talibatan, 80 students, 70 students, Samanuna Taliban and Samanuna Talibatan, 80 students, Tisuna Taliban and Tisuna Talibatan, 90 students. Hazihi Uqudun. So these, which is the all Hamsuna, Arbuna, these are called Uqud. Is that right?
Yep.
That is right.
What do you mean by Uqud? Because Akad can mean also fire, or Akad. So can you tell us the meaning of this?
Okay,
Uqud.
doctor. So
can also mean fire as well.
So basically this word itself, it comes in different meanings. So you know the word aqd. Aqd means a contract as well.
Contract, yes, that's right. Yes. Contract, yes, correct, yes.
Yeah, so it comes in the meaning of aqd. And aqud is the plural of aqd as well.
It's like the contract, okay.
Correct.
Thank you.
Right, okay. Next exercise, sister, can you kindly do this as well?
Sheikh, I think, sorry about this. But I didn't understand the previous exercise. This one.
So basically, the previous exercise is just showing you the numbers 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. It's showing that whether the ma'dud, the thing which is being counted, whether it's masculine or feminine, the numbers remain the same. Taliban, talibatan. So one is masculine, one is feminine. The word sittuna is used for both genders itself.
Oh, so all of these, whether it is Taliban or Talibatan,
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
So
and it will not change, Elama Sab, for with the any jar majroor, it is mabni, is that right?
No. Only
it will change.
The numbers remain the same. Thalathun, arba'un, khamsun, tis'un, sab'un. These numbers are used, like, as you know, that numbers talib, talibatun, and taliban, when it comes like 3, 4, 5, they change. One is masculine, one is feminine. That is what he's trying to say. But
no, I'm saying there that if before that, if there is any jar comes there, then Ishruna will remain same there.
No. They will change. That's a good question. Now let me tell you, this is a really good question you've asked, Sister Sadia. And numbers from 20 to 90, you can write this down. Numbers from 20 to 90, they follow, numbers from 20 to 90 follow the same ruling of, does anyone know? Anyone remember?
Repeat the question again, Sheikh.
Does anyone know the ruling that numbers from 20 to 90, they follow the ruling of a certain noun? Do you know?
The sound masculine plural.
MashaAllah. Ahsanti. Yeah. So numbers from 20 to 90, from Ishruna to Tis'un, they follow the same ruling of the sound masculine plural.
That's good, yes.
So for example, I'll give you example. If I said 20 students came, I will say, what will I say? I'll say, what is the verb to come?
Ja'a.
Exactly. I'll say Ja'a Ishruna Taliban or Talibatan, for example. Okay. Ja'at Ishruna Talibatan. 20 students come. So here, and if I was going to say the Muslim came, I would say Ja'a Muslimuna. Al-Muslimuna, correct. Next one, if I say I saw 20 students, what is the verb to see? Or I saw? Ra'aytu. So ra'aytu, like the waw noon here from Ishruna will change to ya noon. So this waw noon, exactly, it becomes Ishrina. So we will say ra'aytu Ishrina Taliban or Talibatan. Okay. And if I want to say I saw 20, I saw the Muslim men, I will say Ra'aytu Muslimina. Ahsant. Ra'aytu Muslimina. And the next one, genitive case, harf jar, majroor. If you want to say I passed by students, marra yamurru. And you say marartu bi. So the waw noon, so as you know, the nasb and jar, the sound masculine plural are the same, so become marartu bi ishrina taliban. Marartu bi ishrina taliban.
So the counted will remain as it is.
Yeah, the ma'dud remains the same. That doesn't change. Only ishruna changes. Marartu bi ishrina taliban.
So, Sheikh, that it will always be mansoob, the madud.
Yes, always. That doesn't change.
Okay.
So and Sheikh, the madud always remains in the singular in these cases?
Yes.
Sheikh, so one more for Muslim, Muslimun,
هذه
or
أخوضا.
Muslimuna.
This here.
Let me just finish just a second. Muslimuna, it becomes the mansub in the majrur form is Muslimina. But if it is Muslimatun, then it is Muslimataini.
No, don't talk about that. Don't do Muslim those females at the moment, because
Okay, okay, so
yeah,
it will just
because
become Muslimina.
yeah, this is Muslimina.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Because if you do the feminine, I don't want to. So the next one is هذه.
Why are we using this in this exercise? What's the correlation?
Correlation of what?
Of hazir aqudun.
So I'll explain this. Give me 1 second. Now the next one is مررت ب20 مررت ب20. You see مررت ب20 مسلمين. Okay.
Why it's changed now? Muslim. Why not Musliman?
Yeah.
Why Muslim? So هذه so رأيت مررت ب20 مسلم. مررت
Musliman, right?
ب20 طالبا or طالبة. I passed by 20 male or female students. And if I pass by the Muslims, I'll say مررت بمسلمين. بمسلمين.
Sheikh, the next exercise, number 5, is explaining the same thing in a simple way.
Yeah, I'll go to that in a minute. So the word هذه عقود. These, now it's saying that these are the numbers itself which are coming. عقود here is coming. These are the numbers which are coming in the tens itself.
So
Okay.
can I ask you something? So you know this Ishrun and Ishreen,
Yeah.
it depends on what verb you are using.
So Ishruna is in the state of raf. When these nouns, they will change to Ishreen when these nouns come in the place of mansub.
Okay. It's nothing to do with the what verb you are using.
No. It's
Okay,
depending upon when it's situated. For example, if it's coming before a verb, then these become an object. And as you know, that there are different ways of making the state of a noun from raf, nasab, and jar.
Yeah.
So if it was, for example, coming after a noun, then it would be like, I said salam upon 30 people. So salamtu ala thalathina taliban. So salamtu, I sent salam. So ala is harf jar, correct?
Yeah, and because
anything which comes after harf jar is majroor. So thalathuna will become thalathina.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah.
And now, even in this exercise, it's showing you the same thing itself. I'm going to give that to Sister Munira. Go ahead, Sister Munira.
Exercise 5.
And so one minute, Aqdun and Uqudun, these are numbers. Okay. So these are the numbers. These are the multiples of tens. So Ishrun, Thalathun, Arba'un, Khamsun, Sittun. So that's why Hadi Aqudun. These are numbers. Okay.
Okay. The first line is singular, the whole first line. دخل المدرس علامة الرفع ضمة, because it is a file. The teacher entered. Number 2, the same line. Sa'altul mudarrisa. Here, alamatul mansub, nasbun. Because al-mudarrisa is the object, is maf'ulun bihi. I asked the teacher. Number 3, qultu lil mudarrisi. Alamatul kasra majrur. Because li is jar and mudarris is majrur. So here, qultu lil mudarrisi, I talked, or I said to the teacher. Second line, dakhala al mudarrisuna. Nun fatha, that is al marfu'un is wow. Alamatul raf is wow. And there is a nun fatha also. This is marfu'un. That is, it's the fa'il. The teachers entered. Sa'altul mudarrisina. Alama, mansub, alamatul nasbun is ya. I asked the teachers. Qultu lil mudarrisina. I said to the teachers. Al-majrur, alama is ya. It is after the preposition li, it becomes mudarrisina. Jar wa majrur. Last line, dakhala ishruna taliban. 20 students entered. Ishruna is marfu'un. Alama of raf is nun fatha here, waw and nun fatha. Sa'altu ishrina taliban. Alamatul mansub is ya, actually. So here ishrina, it will become mansub, and ishrina in majrur and mansub are same. So I asked 20 students.
Excellent. Is this clear for everyone now?
I said to the 20 students. Here this is jar wa majrur.
Is this clear for everyone? We did this in book 2.
Yeah.
So we're in book 5 now. Right, okay. Next exercise is the wajda. Bismillah. So it says the wajda, what you need to do here is basically what we have done in exercise 5, implement this and explain what's happening. So
okay.
So I want you to break down the whole sentence, say where's the verb, fa'il, maf'ul, and why you're changing the harakat of the sound masculine plurals as well. Bismillah.
Okay. Yuhibbul mudarrisu tullabal. They said mujtahiduna, but yuhib is the fail, al-mudarris is the fa'il, tullab is maf'ulun bih, and mujtahidina is the not. So it's gonna be mujtahidina.
Which state is the not gonna? Which state?
Because it's the maf'ulun bihi.
Okay. Correct.
Yeah, tulaba is the maf'ulun bihi with the fatha at the top, so it's gonna be mujtahidina, not mujtahiduna. Even because not go the same way. Manot. The aital is the aita salah. Okay, so if it's the salafuna, it's different, but we have to say ra'aita what he saw Taliban. So Taliban are the mafulun bihi, so he saw salathina Taliban. So he saw 30 students. I saw 30 students actually. So that's why it's ra'aita, not ra'ait. It should be ra'aitu.
No, ra'aita, you saw.
You saw, okay.
Yeah, ra'aita salathina Taliban, you saw 30 students.
Okay. Yuhibbullahul muslimina. Allah love Muslimin. So Allah is the doer here, and yuhib is the fail, and the Muslimin is the maf'ulun bihi.
Correct.
Qira'atu khamsina. I say khamsina safhatan. Qira'at is the fail, and khamsin is safatan is maf'ulun bihi, so that's why it's going to be khamsina, not khamsuna.
Excellent.
Sa'altul muhandisina. Like I asked to the engineers. Yeah, they are maf'ulun bihi. Yeah, mansub.
Excellent. 7 and okay, this exercise here. I'm going to give this to Sister Sadiqa. Would you be able to do the next exercise? Sister Sadiqa Asaria, Assalamu alaikum. I'm not too sure how long when you joined in. Okay. So let me bring Sister Mukarrama to do this exercise. Sister Mukarrama, where are you?
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum. So Sister Mukarrama, here, let me explain to you. So fill in the blanks with the words in the brackets as shown in the examples. So what you'll need to do here, Abna'ul. So let me explain what's happening. Ibnun is son. Abna'un is sons. So here, Abna'ul Mudarrisi, the teacher's sons. So Abna is mudaf. That's the reason why there's no tanween. It's not Abna'un, it's Abna'u. Because always the mudaf takes one dhamma. It does not have alif lam, neither a tanween. Al-Mudarrisi is having a kasra. Al-Mudarrisu is a singular noun, correct?
Yes.
So that's the reason why it's Abna al-Mudarrisi. Over here now, Abna'un is coming again as mudaf, but here now the word is not singular, but it is
It's plural. Mudarrisuna, but
to indicate the state of jar, meaning majroor. Mudarrisuna changes to
mudarrisina.
correct. Continue now.
Okay. So, Buyutul Muhandisina. Houses of the engineers. Sayyaratul Mudarrisina. The cars of the teachers.
The teacher's cars. Teacher
Amirul
cars.
Mu'minina. The teacher's car.
Yeah.
Amirul Mu'minina. The leader of the believers. Or the ruler of the believers.
No, leader, not ruler. Leader.
Leader of the Amirul Muslimina.
Imamul Muslimin.
Imamul Muslimina. The leader of the Muslims. The Kakinul Bakalina. The shops of the grocers. Grocers shops. Dinul Kafirina. The disbelievers' religion.
Thank you. Next exercise, what does it say? Fill in the blanks with the words given in the brackets after necessary changes. Okay. Quite a bit of exercises in this lesson. Wow. It's a killer, this lesson. Right, okay, that's fine. Can I give this exercise to Sister Sadia so that I can get you into the class as well? And then Sister Sadia?
Which one is that one? This kultu?
Yes. So here,
So
now what's happening here? Kultu now, lil mudarrisi is singular noun. Mudarrisuna, and because of li harf jar, mudarrisuna changes to mudarrisina. So I said to the teacher, I said to the teachers. So here, harf jar is coming. You need to change these words that sound masculine to yanu. Bismillah.
Yeah. أبحث عن المدرسين. اشتريت هذا الكتاب.
Translation, please. أبحث عن المدرسين. What does that mean?
أبحث means
searching, looking for.
I'm looking for teachers. The teachers. اشتريت هذا الكتاب ب50 ريالا. I bought this book in 50 reals.
Correct.
قلت للمهندسين. I asked. I told Horace. No. Told.
I said.
So I said to the engineers.
Correct.
سمعت هذا الخبر من المدرسين.
Correct.
I heard this news from the teachers.
Yep.
هذه الجائزات للطلاب المجتهدين.
Excellent.
These newspaper جائزة.
No, jaiza comes in the meaning of reward. These rewards
is for hardworking students.
These reward are for the hardworking student. Excellent. Jazakallah. Thank you. Now the next exercise, I'm going to give that to Sister Huma. Would you like to do next exercise, number 9 or number 10, whichever one you want to do?
Oh, whichever. I'll try it. I'll give it a try.
Bismillah.
In the 50 rialans.
How do you say 50 in Arabic?
Khamsuna Indi
خمسون. Yeah, that's fine. Indi خمسون ريال, correct?
Raito خمسون.
No, change that to خمسين now, because رأيته is now I saw. You have to say
خمسين طالبا في القاعة.
القاعة,
في
correct?
القاعة.
The word قاعة means hall. I saw 50 students in the hall.
Right, so I saw 50 students in the قاعة hall.
Yes.
Okay. اشتريت هذا المعجم.
Same thing. Here you, in number 2 you said خمسين. Here is the same repetition again.
Okay. اشتريت هذا المعجم بالخمسة
خمسين.
خمسوني
No,
دولار.
بخمسين.
بخمسين دولار. دولارا. I bought this معجم is a
معجم is
dictionary for 50 reals.
Right.
Okay. قرأت.
So the word is ستونة, 60.
ستونة.
You have to change ستينو to ya, change the واو نون to ya نون.
قرأت ستوني
ستينة
صفة. صفة. I read 60 pages.
Excellent. Number 5.
في هذه المجلة
40.
أربعون.
So أربعون.
هي مجلة أربعون صفة.
Correct.
I bought this.
No, في هذه المجلة, in this magazine.
In this magazine, 40 real. I bought this magazine for 40 real.
صفحة is pages, not real.
شدد ب40.
So here, doctor, no, in this one
Yeah.
will be أربعون, doctor. في هذه المجلة أربعون صفحة.
In this magazine, there are 40 pages.
Because here في هذه المجلة is coming as خبر. أربعون صفحة is خبر.
جملة اسمية.
Yeah, جملة. That's why. Next one, please. Okay, doctor, let me divide this into. Dr. Rahim, can you continue from 6 to 10, please?
Inshallah. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. في هذا الشهر. Doctor, Bismillah, unmute yourself. Doctor, go ahead.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can. Bismillah. في هذا الشهر 29 or 30 days. You muted yourself again. Unmute yourself, doctor. Unmute yourself, doctor. Dr. Rahim?
Is that all right now?
Yes.
Am I all right now?
Yes, you're right. We can hear you.
في شهر 29 أو 30 يوما.
So the word يوما is masculine. So you say تسعة وعشرين. تسعة وعشرين أو تسعة وعشرون أو 30 يوما.
30.
Sheikh, the unit will take a fatha?
Yes, the units will take a fatha. So you say في هذا الشهر 29 أو 30 يوما. وفي هذا اليوم
وفي
اليوم
20 وأربعة.
No, no, doctor. The word sa'a is feminine. If the word is feminine, the units would be masculine. So be.
Oh, I see. 20.
No. Say four.
24.
أربعة وعشرون. ساعة.
ساعة
24
أربعة
ساعة.
أربعة وعشرون
20 ساعة في الساعة.
ساعة وفي ساعة.
Correct. Next one.
دقيقة 20 دقيقة
No,
في
60 seconds.
No.
60 minutes. 60
ستين
seconds
ستين
in a minute.
ستين دقيقة في دقيقة. This is 60 دقيقة means seconds, is it?
دقيقة 60 minutes.
60 minutes.
Like
60 minutes. في دقيقة شبه ساعة.
So
ستون
دقيقة.
أنا
Yeah, here,
How
doctor.
can this,
This one is 60.
how can the minutes be in the minutes?
So here's in دقيقة. 60 دقيقة. 60 minutes.
Sheikh, I have a
60.
question.
One second, sister. Doctor says 60 دقيقة, 60 minutes. وفي الدقيقة, and in every second are 60 ثانية, seconds.
جي.
أحسنت.
Okay, so it's 60 دقيقة, 60 minutes. وفي الدقيقة, and in every minute.
60 ثانية.
Yes, ثانية and seconds. Yes, Sister Zahra. Bismillah.
Sheikh, in the dialogues of this book,
Yep.
it says Salasan wa Khamseen. So it's taking a Fatha Tanween
Where is this?
in one of the dialogues, fifth last line.
Which page?
17, I think. No, one more above. Yeah, here.
Thalathan,
So
yeah.
it said, yeah, so it's taking a Fatha Tanween here, the unit. And then if you read it further, it says Sab'un wa Salasun. So now it's taking a Dhamma Tanween.
Yeah, that's fine. That's perfectly fine. Sab'un wa thalathun, yeah, that's fine. You can do it at the tanween as well. That's fine. That's not an issue.
So in the exercise we were just doing, we can say for this one, for example, 29, we can say Tis'atun wa Ishrun.
Yes, that's perfectly fine.
So that was my question, Sheikh, because fi shahri, that is khabar, then doesn't 29 become mubtada, which means that it would be tis'atu?
Page?
The page 21.
Yeah, fi shahri.
The exercise that we were just doing.
Yeah, correct.
Because fi shahri is khabar.
Correct.
And the 29 is mubtada, so it would have dhamma.
Correct. That's what we read. Fi shahri, tis'atun wa ishruna yawman. Correct.
Thank you.
Correct.
So I think only in the in the tens like 20, 30, 40, 50, the counted will take a fatha, right, Sheikh? And in the unit and tens like 29 or 39, in that case the unit can take a dhamma.
So the dhammas, so the numbers itself, you could do either dham. It comes sometimes they do it, when you're reading it itself in the, as you say, spoken Arabic. So if you say with a dhamma, it's fine. But if you do it correctly, yes, you read it with a tanween. Sab tis'atun wa ishruna yawman and so forth itself. Okay. So if you say in general spoken Arabic, sab'u, arba'atu, or arba'u, that's fine. But correctly, arba'un is absolutely correct according to the grammar itself, reading the Arabic text.
Okay, thank you.
Right, continue, Doctor. Finish you off. 7, 8, 9, and 10, please. Doctor, unmute yourself.
Hati Ishrina Burtukali. Give me 20 Burtukali means
oranges.
Oranges. And Najaha Tis'una Taliban Warasaba. Najaha means the successful were 90 students. Warasaba Arba'ina Taliban. and the failures were 40
40.
students.
Correct.
So Sheikh, here najaha is considered an ism and not a verb.
No, so here najaha is jumla fi'liya. Najaha
So
is
then
a
it should be disown, right, Sheikh, for the students?
first
Disown
one.
Taliban.
Najaha here, first one. It should be najaha tis'una, because tis'una is coming as the fa'il of najaha. Najaha tis'una taliban wa rasaba arba'una taliban, and 40 students failed.
So Taliban are tamis, but they can also be mafulun bihi.
Taliban is ma'dud for tis'una, but the word tis'una itself is coming as the fa'il of najaha.
Okay.
Okay. Right. So this Taliban is related to the number, not to najaha itself. It's related to the number itself. So this is
najaha is not necessarily a naqis verb where it requires a mafulun bihi, correct?
He made him six. Najaha is lazim. It doesn't require an object.
Okay, thank you.
Next one, Doctor.
Yeah.
في هذه القرية يا دكتور کجایی؟ يا دكتور کجا رفتی؟
في هذه القرية 70 أسرة.
70 أسرة. 70 means 70. In this village are 70.
Usra means
families.
What does it mean?
Usratun means families.
Families.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Families.
Thank you.
Continue, last one, number 10.
Sunni Salatina Sanatan.
Thalathuna.
Salatuna. In a year there.
No. Cindy, my age.
My age.
It's 30 years old.
My age is 30
So Sheikh,
years.
in number 7, Hati, 20 oranges.
Yep.
So the 20 will be the Ishreen or Ishroon?
Yes, it will be Ishreen because it's coming from you give me what?
20 oranges.
Hati means give. What are you giving?
As a command. Okay.
This is the maf'ul bihi.
Okay.
So that's the reason why it's coming Ishreena. That's the reason why it's not Ishroon, it's Ishreena because it's maf'ul bihi.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Sister Huma, Bismillah. Exercise 10. Read the numbers, please. Ya Allah.
Read and remember. Okay.
Yes.
Ahadi wa Ashrun.
Just one second before you come. All of these numbers now, all of the units here are going to come masculine.
Sound masculine.
All the numbers are going to come masculine, the units itself, because the ma'dud is feminine. So talibatan is feminine. But remember one point. The one point is this, is that 1 and 2, they come as adjectives. So 1 and 2 will be exactly the same. Ihda is feminine, talibatan is feminine. Ithnatani is 2 for feminine, and talibatan is feminine. But from 3 to 29, the numbers will be masculine. So thalatha, arba'un, khamsun, there's no ta marbuta. So these numbers from 23 to 29, they will come in the opposite gender. Numbers 1 and 2 will match the ma'dud. But numbers from 23 to 29, the unit itself will be masculine. Yes?
So 21 and 22 will match.
Will match the ma'dud, will match the number which the thing which is important.
Wa ashruna talibatun.
Talibatan. Talibatan. Correct. Next one.
Isnatani wa ashruna talibatan.
Correct.
Salasun. Salasun. Now it's different. Salasun wa ashruna talibatan.
Correct.
Arbaun wa ashruna talibatan.
Correct.
Khamsun. What
Right?
did you say?
Ishruna. So ashara becomes 10.
Ashruna talibatan.
Correct.
It's different now. It's Khamsun wa ashruna talibatan.
Translate as well, please. 25 female students.
26 Sittun wa ashruna talibatan.
Correct.
Sabun ishruna talibatan. 27
Correct.
28 Samanin wa ashruna talibatan.
Correct. Next one.
This wa ishruna talibatan. 29
Correct.
students.
Number
Salasuna talibatan. 30 students.
Excellent. Sister Sadiqa Asaria, Jazakallah. Thank you, Sister
Sheikh,
Sadiqa.
one question.
Yeah.
Samanin is following the same pattern as Ghalin because
Yes.
Samani would have the
Exactly.
ya.
Yes. So Thamanin, the ya is dropped. So it was Thamaniyun and it becomes Thamanin. Correct. Sister Sadiqa Asaria, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
How are you? Inshallah, hope you're well.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Let's kindly do 1 to 5, and then you could choose the next student to do. Okay, Alhamdulillah, we're near the end book. Alhamdulillah, this lesson. Go ahead, Sister Sadiqa. Let's do this exercise. In the classroom are 31 students.
So في هذا الفصل going to be
So thalathuna is 30, but what would you use? Would you use ahada or would you use ihda?
so it's إحدى
Excellent. Ihda wa ishruna.
إحدى و
Ishruna. Sorry, my mistake.
No.
Thalathuna.
ثلاثون طالبة.
Talibatan, correct. Sister Sadiq, bring the tablet closer to you. You're a bit too far from the tablet.
I think there's a problem with this device. Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Next one.
In the so 33. So
Rubiyatan is feminine, so the numbers will be
the unit will be
masculine. Correct.
So ثلاثا.
Thalathun, yep. Indeed, thalathun wa
ثلاثون.
Correct.
ربية.
Faqat. Okay.
45. So riyalan is masculine.
Correct.
So the unit will be feminine. Khamsatun. Khamsatun wa
Arba'in wa arba'una.
arba'una riyalan.
Riyalan, correct.
Okay.
No, mashallah, you did it well.
Sorry, I went to number 3. I forgot number 2.
No, that's fine. Don't worry. Go to the next one. Number 2, fil yawm.
Fil yawmi. So this is
24.
So sa'atan. So this female. So it's going to be male. So arba'un wa 20 ishruna.
Correct. Fil yawmi arba'un wa ishruna sa'atan. Correct.
And رأيته قبل 22 sanatan.
So 1 and 2 matches the ma'dud.
Yes, so it's going to be ithnatani wa ashruna
Ithnatani wa ishruna
sanatan.
Correct.
So it's object, so it will be isnata ishruna, right, Maulana?
No.
No?
No. Very good. But alhamdulillah, good. That's good that you observed. Now the word qabla is coming, yeah?
Right.
Because of qabla, the noun which comes after it will be mudaf ilay.
Okay.
So from ithnatani, it will become ithnatayn. Ithnatayni. So ra'aytuhu qabla ithnatayni wa ishrina sanatan.
But is
because of qabla, The word qabla, whenever qabla comes, the noun after it is in the state of majroor as mudaf ilay. So the word ithnatani, which is over on top, will change from alif noon to ya noon. So we ra'aytuhu qabla ithnataini wa ishrina sanatan.
Is the translation I saw him after?
No, before I saw him before 22 years ago.
I saw him before 22 years, or I saw him before he was 22, before he was 20.
Before 22 years ago, meaning I saw him 22 years ago before, meaning that I'm seeing him today after 22 years.
Okay. Right. Number 5, Hafidtu, so 66, Surah and so it's going to be male. 6, Sittan.
No, remember, hafidtu is a verb, I. So these numbers now are going to come in as objects. So it becomes sit. So suratan is feminine, so the number will be masculine. So be sittan.
Yeah, sittan. What? Not female. So no, it's the same, isn't it?
Yeah. So it will be, then also the word 60 will change to situna will be changed to sittina.
Oh yeah, okay.
Because it comes as object. I memorized hafidtu sittan wa
sittina suratan.
Suratan. Ahsanti. Number 6.
Oh, I think I had to choose a new student.
No. Okay, to finish it off, though, it's good. Doing difficult things, it's good because it gives you more practice. No problem at all.
في سورة الرحمن 78, is it?
Ahsanti. So the word 78 is sab'un.
So do the 8.
8 is going to be feminine, so it's going to be this one here. Because the ayatan is feminine, so it'll be masculine. This one here, thamanin.
Yes. So the 8 is thamaniyatan.
No, because there's a ya. Thamaniyatun is going to be used when the ma'dud is masculine, but ayatan is feminine, so it'll be thamanin. So fi Surah Rahmani, thamanin.
Sorry, yeah, thamanin. Wa sabuna.
This is sab'una ayatan, correct?
And number 9. Oh, sorry, that's not number 9. The 7.
Number 7.
99
pages.
Safhatan, yeah, 99.
So here 99 is coming as an object.
So the male is going to be tas'an.
This so
this an wa this una.
No, to change this una to as an object. Change the waw nun to yanu because it's coming as the object. Correct. Qara'tu tis'an wa ishrina safhatan. This exercise, I need everyone to write this exercise out, please, because this is a good challenging exercise. So if everyone could write this out, that would be much appreciated, this exercise.
Sheikh, will it be is qara'tu
tis'an wa ishrina wa tis'ina safhatan.
Okay, tis'ina. All right, thank you.
Yeah, because it's the object of qara'tu. Finally, Sister Parveen Naqvi, finish off number 12, please.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. La akaltu wa la sharibtu. I neither ate nor drank.
Correct.
الطالب لا حفظ الدرس ولا كتب الواجب. That student neither memorized lesson nor he wrote the lesson.
Excellent.
Darabani.
He wrote the wajib homework. Wajib comes in the meaning of homework.
Kataba, yeah, wrote the homework. Nor wrote the homework. La darabani wa la darabtuhu. Neither he hit me nor I hit him. La ra'ani wa la ra'aytuhu. Neither I saw him nor he saw me.
So it's giving you examples of using la twice, and both of them come in the meaning of
Neither
negation.
nor.
Yeah. Right. New words, and that'll be the end of the class. Bismillah.
Okay. Nabiyun, Nabiyuna, Ambiyau. This is the plural for that, and Nabi is the prophet. Jaizatun is the prize. Jawaizu, the plural. Ka'atun is the hall. Ka'atun, halls. Kissatun, story. Kissasun, plural. Usratun, family. Usarun, plural. Rasabun, yarsabu, to fail. Ijtima'un, meeting. Saniyatun, sawanin, the second. Najaha, yanjahu, succeeding or passing.
Excellent.
Alhamdulillah.
Lesson. Alaykum salam. Yes.
Can you explain this Taniyatun and the plural is Tawanin? What
So,
is the rule
so
here?
basically, so this is, one is a singular. Okay, where's it going? So, Thaniyatun is the singular, and Thawani, so Thawanin, there should be a ya at the end. So when a letter is coming without alif lam, the ya gets dropped. So it should be Thawaniyun. So what happens? So the ya gets dropped, and then the letter before it, which had a kasra, gets a kasra tanween. So this kasra tanween indicates there should be another ya at the end, which has been dropped because it's coming without alif lam. But just
and what does it mean, Tawanin? How, in what context can it be used? Two
it's
as in plural.
second, thaniyatun is second, and seconds. I
All
missed,
right. Okay.
example,
Okay.
I
I
missed
get
the
you.
bus by seconds, not 1 second, 2 seconds, seconds.
When we have 30
Yeah.
seconds.
Exactly.
Okay. Thank you.
No problem. Right. Jazakallah, everyone. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad. So exercise 4, lesson number 4, we'll do that next. As I said, inshallah, when tomorrow, no, I don't want to push. Keep it, is it, because I know some people are complaining you're doing it too fast. I'll keep it inshallah next lesson, inshallah, because I know some people will
That
complain.
will go very slow, Maulana, because it is very hard, to me at least.
Yeah, no, that's fine. That's fine.
I tried it, but it's challenging.
That's
Yeah,
fine.
Sheikh. Mahlan, mahlan.
Yeah.
Can you please
That's fine.
explain this second and the second like the second numbers 2 second of that and seconds? Can you explain the difference on the writing? Is it written the same way?
What was that? I
First
didn't catch
the
that, Doctor.
second or the second?
So
the
one is
second as
yeah,
the counting.
Thaniyatun is seconds, and Thawanin is seconds as a plural.
And how about the second person, Tanya?
That's
how would you
mukhatab.
spell that? That's, so how would you write the same way? The second person.
So you say second person. You can say shakhsul thani.
Thani.
Yeah, a shakhsul thani. Yeah, a thani. So after the noon, you will put the ya as well. Okay. A shakhsul thani. The second person. Jazakallah.
Is it like the Sani Zahra?
Thani is Zahra, correct. Correct. So the ya comes back in. Right. Jazakumullah. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad.
When is the next class?
Next class,
When is the
Doctor.
next
Everyone is forking out. No one is willing to do
Really?
more classes. It's too difficult. So we will have to do it next session, inshallah. I'm more
next
happy
Tuesday?
to do Friday, but if the class, I'll message in the group. If everyone's happy on Friday, I'm willing to do Friday. Tomorrow will be a bit difficult because it's too quick. So I'll maybe
Yes,
do
this Friday you can do it. Friday it should everybody should be able to do it.
Message in the group, Sister Parveena Khawi, see how many students are willing to join Friday. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Jazakumullah.